Fishing, Lighthouse Reef. This is Bonnie with a bar jack, Pete with his horse eye jack, Jessica with her black grouper, and Bob with a barracuda. And here we are loading up the kayaks to head back after some bait fishing. Here's James with some conchs. He's fixing us lunch. So James stopped and caught some conch, and he's fixing us some fresh conch here. I'm going to try my hand at trying to get it out. 10 minutes. This is the edited version, so you won't see all 10 minutes of me futzing around trying to get the conch out. Here's James casting the net for some bait. And he did 2 casts, and we had enough bait for the whole week. We use a small bait fish. We use a small bait fish to catch large bait fish.
We're loaded with the canoe kayaks, headed back.
Here's James
making our bait.
Cuts in the shape of squid.
Some small fish. The shape of a squid. We'll troll along, see what hits it. Oh wow, look at that!
So it's the ladies versus the men here.
Throw it on the boat behind us toward us.
You'll see the ladies
Black
win.
grouper, huh? All right! Yes, you bet. Bonnie's got something else on right now. Let's wait and see what it is. It's fast. What is it? All right. It's a bar jack.
Oh, I got a jumper on here. Barracuda can be quite dangerous because they have sharp teeth. You have to whack them on the head so they don't bite.
Alright, you just made the last 2 hours worth it.
Alright.
Barely.
Barely. Ow. Alright.
Good job, Dad. There's the man who's going to cook up the barracuda. Make it delicious for us.
Yeah.
So there are the frigate birds coming in for a free snack.
Fishing expedition.
Yes, the successful one. Watching. Yes. God, where's that bird?
What'd we catch?
We caught some black grouper and some yellow snapper and.
Who caught the black grouper?
I did.
Yes. That was the prize fish.
Yes.
And Bonnie, what'd you catch?
I got a bar jack and I let my barracuda get away.
You let him get away?
Yeah.
How'd that happen?
Got it right up next to the boat, tiniest little bit of slack in the line, and it.
Bummer.
Yep.
Skinning the fish.
So James is getting ready
the black grouper.
for this to be cooked. This is the black
That looks
grouper.
like a delicious fish.
Oh, it is.
Very mild, very light.
We are feeding the frigate birds in the evening while they're cleaning the fish catch of the day.
Beautiful sunset. So this is the next morning. This is a lemon shark. Came right up to the shore and is